Trump is calling all credit card interest rates to be capped at 10% for a year. According to Trump's Truth Social account just a few hours ago, he says this: "Please be informed that we will no longer let the American public be ripped off by credit card companies that are charging interest rates of 20 to 30% and even more." Then it says affordability. Effective January 20th, 2026, I, as the President of the United States, am calling for a 1-year cap on credit card interest rates of 10%. Now, although this is expected to go into effect January 20th, 2026, there hasn't been any blueprint of how this will get done. Will credit card issuers willingly, voluntarily support this, or will they be mandated? It's all up in the air right now. But this is massive news for the American people. There are Americans right now that live paycheck to paycheck and are drowning in credit card debt. This is a big move in the right direction in allowing the American people to get back on their feet, increase the money in their pockets, pay down high interest rate credit card debt, and better provide for their families. Of course, we have yet to see how the banks will follow suit, but this is big news. And I want to know what your guys' opinion is. Comment them down below. Do you think this is a win for the American people?